Northbound Expeditions is brought to you in part by Fairview Jeep, Fredericton's #1 Jeep dealer.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Virgil from NBX, and today we got Starlight in the garage. And Starlight received a used Rugged Ridge Snorkel for Christmas. So I'm here today to install this. So this is the factory airbox right now. And so it's a bit noisy in here. I got this forced air heater going. It makes the garage workable in the winter. And so here are the parts that I got. Alright, let's get to it. One of the first things we got to do is remove the airbox. Just a simple screwdriver or a 8mm ratchet. With my Christmas present from last year. No, my birthday present from last year. This always happens. Always, always, always. Easier. Okay, do we really need to remove this pipe? The instructions say yes. I don't think it's necessary. Definitely getting a bit of dust out of this. I'm gonna vacuum this filter. Next we gotta get these clips here out. So start from one side and hopefully work my way down. Okay, so there's actually two pieces. There's this piece here that's closes up the intake. Okay, and then that pops off. Now we got access, and I think now we can remove this piece right here. This piece. will insert into here. It's right in place. Okay. That cable there, that hose, and that can just stay in there. Keep the factory location. The drain holes and everything, so. Maybe this is sufficient. I know it would have been a good time for a new air filter, but I didn't get one, so. Okay, we're gonna take off these 4 screws right here. Yeah. Plastic. Interesting. So we do have to trim this plastic right here, this foam right here, to make this work. And that, as far as I know, is the only modification that's required to make this work. Probably a bit more than it needs to be at this point, but well, here we are. So I'm not sure about this fitment here. It seems like this is not exactly lining up perfectly. It seems like it should go in more, because right now it's not really flush. It doesn't seem perfectly flush or level. And I'm wondering if this will make it more square. It looks like it's leaning out this way too far. Into something, so solid. Now, okay, that part goes in there. All right, that's better. And then this on top, like this. Okay. So just got to reconnect the air box, and that's it. It's done. tighten down the clamps. Okay. And for that, I just got to tighten down these things. Smaller. Alright, that's it. Now I'm pretty solid. And you know why I don't like these? It's because they're literally drilling into the plastic. So that means you change this air filter 3, 4, 5 times and this plastic will be so worn out. You can't drill into it anymore, so you gotta replace the whole air box. That to me is not a good design. So making it screws, at least make it a metal thread. Awesome.
I knew it. Wow. I'm happy.
Almost done. Skid plate is on, oil is changed, and now the snorkel.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, fuck. I lost this screw once already, I don't want to lose it again.
Oh.
Oh, good.
I don't know if I did the...
Yeah. Done.
Oh my god! It's perfect.
Alright, close the hood.
So this is...
Oh yeah, sorry, gotta reconnect the
battery?
the battery for the winch.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Non, ça la coupe, babe.
Okay, so it's... This is definitely... It's the... Okay, put the arm down again.
That's what I thought. Voyons, c'est là. C'est tellement pratique.
So then I'm gonna rotate these so that these are facing down, maybe. That'll give some more clearance. Tighten them down. It seems like it's too high. Like,
Ah, c'est too high.
it's too high. Maybe.
Je pourrais même pas former ça.
I
Mais là,
mean,
c'est le foam.
you can, but it's just a foam.
Ben, I'm not sure.
It is just it's just a liner.
Attends.
So at this point, I know it's the liner that's compressing.
It's not, and it's not hot anyway.
No, this doesn't. No, this doesn't get hot.
No.
But it's this liner here, this fire guard, that's we might need to take out.
Ah, the fire when the fire cut.
Wow.
It will not
It's more of a noise.
Difference.
No, I won't.
It's just this.
It sounds like it's just this.
If you remove là when we can checking how many thick is it. I think it's just the pad. I feel it's the pad, but
It's definitely the pad.
at the same time, check the inches.
Yeah,
hein.
it's lifting it too much.
Ouais.
It's literally bending the hood.
Ouais.
So that's not normal. It shouldn't be doing that. I mean,
Ça bend, hein?
I don't know, I can't really tell. I mean, visibly I cannot tell. That it does, but I know it does a little bit.
So under the snorkel, it's the fuse box, is it?
The battery and the fuse box. Yeah. But there's nothing that can, there's nothing that can go lower. I mean, like it is.
On dirait que c'est thick, c'est vraiment thick.
It is very thick, yeah.
On dirait qu'il y a un pad,
It is thick.
comme si. On peut pas checker.
But, well, then you can't. If you do, then you just rip it.
I don't know. Do you think we can try like this and if the
I think it'd be fine like this, because at least this way it won't scratch the paint of the hood. You know, if it's only up against this, then that's fine.
yeah.
They will just dampen the vibrations of anything. Nothing will
And it's
break
not
from
getting
it, and it's not getting hot. No, it's just this cold air coming in.
hot. Oh, I can tell. Here, the inches.
Yeah.
Ouais.
It's not much different. Yeah.
Inches, c'est comme à Ben un peu. Vas-y donc, ouais. Vas-y donc le fermer. I think it's the pad.
It is the pad.
Ouais.
It's fine. I'm sure it's fine.
Whoop, whoop. Je suis contente. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, looks good. And more overland by the day.
Ouais.
Fresh oil. Your skid plate is on.
So, yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, ma fille.
Yeah.
What it is, eh?
It's on the front. The oil skid pan. So,
Okay, I see.
right here.
So there is the hole for the bolt to remove the screw when you want to remove the oil.
No, that's what the hole is for. So you can still drain the oil
Yeah.
just
That's
in the
okay.
hole there. Yeah.
Okay. The big bolt
Yeah.
right there. Okay.
And so there's another skid plate that will attach to these 3 bolts here, and it runs to the back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I will be lower because of this.
I'm not sure how. I think it might replace this, maybe not, but I don't know.
Maybe 1 inch lower.
I would have to see. But at least now your oil pan is protected.